This AI just finished your sentence.
But it didn't read your mind. It made a guess.
A very educated guess.
Let's investigate. I'm logic. I investigate how systems think. And today's mystery: how does AI know what you'll type next? The answer isn't intelligence. AI doesn't understand words. It doesn't understand meaning. It only sees patterns. Patterns from enormous amounts of text. Almost the entire internet. Imagine reading millions of sentences and noticing what comes next. Over and over. That's training.
Now watch what happens when you type. Each word creates a probability. The AI picks the most likely next one. That's it. But probability isn't truth. The most likely answer can be wrong. That's why AI hallucinates. It's guessing, confidently. This power runs modern software. Search engines.
Chatbots. Code assistants. All predicting.
AI doesn't think.
It predicts.
And now you know the difference.